Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My original plan for this week's upload was to work on the ugly truck, kind of to handle some of this wiring harness that I need to get connected onto the 8.1, because there are a few modifications that I'm gonna have to do to get everything wired up and fired up. But something else has come up and I'm gonna take you guys along the way. There's a particular piece of equipment that I need to help this channel grow, and also there's some upcoming change in our lives that, well, this will just make life easier for. So we've got the AT4 loaded up, it's full of fuel, and we're gonna go on a road trip. So when you're building project vehicles and you're working on cars, you obviously need a trailer to move stuff around from time to time. So that's what we're getting today. I've actually never owned a trailer of my own. I've always had to borrow them from other people. And I really hate borrowing trailers because it's like, if you mess something up, if you damage it, you get a flat tire, you feel bad for taking up somebody else's time. So that's what we're here for today. Now there's a couple of different styles of trailer that I'm looking at. Maybe an enclosed, possibly a gooseneck. I'm not sure if I need anything quite that big or anything quite this small. You know, I need to put trucks on it, move stuff, I don't know. So we'll just look around and see what we've got. Yeah. So the most basic type of trailer that a car guy is gonna need, well, it's a car hauler. They're small, they're flat, they have diamond decks, wood decks, different styles of finishes. On average, they'll haul somewhere around 6,000 to 7,000 pounds. That'll work for a small car or maybe in a medium-sized pickup truck. But we want to go a little bit bigger, so we'll keep looking. Now, I'd really like to have an enclosed trailer because they keep your stuff out of the weather and they're just a little bit nicer. But the problem is, for a lot of the larger sized trucks, it's hard to get them inside because oftentimes the wheels won't actually fit in between the fenders. Not only that, the weight of the truck is a lot of times bigger than what most enclosed trailers are rated to haul. Yeah, I know you can get bigger, heavy duty ones, but generally the price, it gets way up there. So again, we'll keep looking. Really what I think I need for my purposes is some sort of an equipment trailer. It's flat, much like a car hauler, but it has a higher weight rating. Now, the trouble with something like this is it has a high raised fender, which is better for like a Bobcat or a skid steer or something like that. But again, with the big trucks, it's harder to get something to roll in, open the door, or if you've got big, really wide wheels on it, it may not fit between the fenders. Now, the ultimate trailer would be a big, heavy-duty gooseneck, something like that, that's 35 or 40 feet long. But that's just way overkill for what I need. So what I'm really looking for is a flatbed equipment trailer with a shorter ramp and something that I could possibly drive over. And I think they have one. Well, I found the Goldilocks trailer. This is a Cam Superlight 22+2 equipment trailer. Basically what that means, it has a 22-foot long deck with a 2-foot dovetail for a total length of 24 feet. Now, when I bought this thing, I kind of had in mind bigger trucks, possibly something with a diesel in it, and possibly something that has wider tires, whether I want to go to the track, some sort of a drag racing event, or what have you. Now, the reason why I chose this particular trailer is the fenders. This is a drive-over style fender. So number one, it doesn't sit that much taller over the deck, but also these things are heavy enough where you can drive right up and over. So whether you have a diesel pickup truck or a rock crawler or something big and heavy, drive right up on over. You don't have to worry about fitting in between the rims. This thing is rated to haul a total gross weight of 14,000 pounds. So again, it's exactly what I want. Not too big, not too small. Let's get her home. This is actually the first trailer that I've ever bought, and I figured we might as well go all out and get the big one, right? I'm super excited. Can't wait to show you guys some of the projects that we're going to be putting on the back of this thing. So it's a big investment, but I'm super happy. Go down.